From you, we learned that love, like beauty, comes in many forms. You showed us what love looks like when it's perfect and when it isn't. You let us watch you, looking, reaching, yearning, always moving toward the light of something better, truer, deeper. We speak your names. We speak your names.
When the youngins were all saying, "We speak your names," there wasn't a dry eye in the place. I mean, everybody was in tears.
Maya Angelou, Ruby Dee, Loretta Scott King, Cicely Tyson, Diana Ross. We speak your names. We speak your names.
We celebrate your courage. We celebrate your spirit. We celebrate your genius. We speak your name. We speak your name.
The poem, to me, was the central force of the weekend because Pearl was able to capture, in the words of that poem, every single thing my heart wanted to say to these women. And she called it "We Speak Your Names," and that's exactly what it was. It was, we speak your names.
Gladys Knight, Patti LaBelle, Roberta Flack, Leontine Price. We speak your names. We speak your names.
I went fully prepared to say thank you. What I didn't anticipate was that they would be so grateful.
I would speak to the young'uns in particular and tell you in 20 years, there are young black women who will be doing something like this for you, saying thank you. There's nothing greater than thank you. That's what you say to God, is thank you.
Coming up.
Gospel Music Hall of Famer Pastor Shirley Caesar, winner of 11 Grammys. Dionne Warwick, who has won 5 Grammys and charted 60 hits during her 4-decade career. Elizabeth Catlett, an artist whose silent sculptures have spoken clearly about the African-American experience. Roberta Flack, she's a songwriter, a singer, and 4-time Grammy winner. Rosa Parks, who in 1955 refused to give up her seat to a white man on an Alabama bus.
The driver demanded that I give this seat up for a white man. I refused to give up this seat. I said no.
Her singular act of civil disobedience sparked the civil rights movement. I have to tell you, I think happiness is having something to look forward to. And I've never been happier in my whole life than planning this event for these women. It started out as a luncheon just to celebrate women, and it turned into this great love event. When I first realized that this was going to happen, I started to think about, well, what kind of parting gift? You know, you need a parting gift. And my friend Gail said, well, I hope you don't give out those pajamas, because I normally like pajamas as a parting gift. So I thought, okay, what will I give? So I started thinking about what I would really want.
And then she called me and she goes, I got it, I got it, I got it.
Can't eat dessert because I know what's coming, but I'm gonna go try to eat some chocolate. Because what's coming is even better than chocolate. I was anticipating what's gonna happen in the moment when we don't give you pajamas. This is it, this is it, this is it. We don't give you a bubble bath. Oh my God, my heart is palpitating.
I couldn't contain myself because I knew just how exciting it was going to be.
I was really just like, okay, come on, people, eat, come on, people, eat. Ladies, take your seats. This is our final surprise. Do not open them of the day, final surprise of the day. Please do not open until I tell you.
All of a sudden, all these waiters line up behind all the women, and we didn't know what was going on. The waiters put down in front of each of us a box.
These red boxes came out. They were on these silver trays, and we're looking at these boxes like, what is this?
Okay, ladies, let's start on the count of 3. You can begin to open your boxes. 1, 2, 3. Pull the ribbon off.
living off?
Will start screaming and falling out because when you open the box, there are these earrings. The most beautiful expression of appreciation.
You know what I love? I love a drop diamond, honey. And I love a hoop. So all the youngins have hoops and all the legends have drop diamonds. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Black diamonds with white diamonds on the other side. And I was done. I was like, I mean, I was speechless.
Crazy love. They're real. Of course they're real. Oh, that was really fun. That was fun. I know that that is an extravagant gift, but there isn't a gift that I could have given that would have said how much your life has meant to my life. So I know there are people who say, well, that was so extravagant. I know it was extravagant, and yet it still wasn't enough. The three-day Legends weekend included a white tie ball for 400 guests that would be held at the Bacara Hotel, a beachfront resort in Santa Barbara. Ta-da! Darling! About 8 weeks before the ball, Gail and I met up with Colin to decide on the final menu, prepared by world-renowned chef Jean-Georges.
Let the party begin. I remember the tasting alone for the ball was at least 5 hours. We liked this potato because Colin had given, 4 different entrees, 10 different appetizers. There were several courses, and so we got to try every single one. Wow!
Without a doubt, the food for this ball had to be as legendary as the legends itself.
That's out of control. Let's go to the kitchen now.
Hallelujah.
On that day, we had everything that the people were going to have that night. I don't know about the ravioli. And 10 other courses that they didn't have. Now, let's try this wine. I had to sample the wine, sample the martini, sample the champagne. Love it, love it, love it. Pellini, Montrachet.
Can we talk about the fact that we had 7 wines to taste and 3 champagnes and 4 cocktails?
Stunning!
By the end of the thing, we were completely wasted.
All the desserts were so great, we finally decided just take them all. Don't just do one, do all 10 of them. I never ate so much in my entire life. And was sick afterwards. Standing ovation to you all. Bravo, bravo.
Transforming the hotel banquet space into a 1940s Art Deco glamorous ballroom was no easy feat, and probably one of the biggest challenges of my career, because all this had to be done in 3 days.